I'm making this video because you need to know about some work from home jobs in 2020 that require little to no experience.
Wow.
So let's just call it no experience. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online, so make sure you subscribe if you're new. And give this video a like or die. And you know what? I can shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment your YouTube username, Instagram username, TikTok username, website if you want to promote that in the comment section down below, and I will shout you out in one of the next videos. And normally, I just pick the comment winners, pretty much shout out everyone, put him in here, and then I shout him out just like this. Okay, so for this method you need two apps, both are free, or two websites. I have links for both of them in the description down below. It's Fiverr to save your skills services, the thing you learn right now, and it's Canva, the place where you complete the orders. What we are going to be making in this video is very simple designs. Let me show you how much you can get paid for doing that. If we go on Fiverr and we just type in content creation, you can see that if we sort them by best selling, this person sold 14 of this starting at $50 designs, which means he made over $700. This person made around $195. This person made $30. This person starting at $500 made over $3,000 just from creating this very simple designs, most likely, from what I could see. And what they do is content creation, right? And let me show you a few others. For example, logo. This person with these Twitch overlays, $10 per, he made over $1,500. This person 375 feedback, $25, starting at over 9 grand from these logo designs. It's very simple to do in many cases with Canva. What you do is, depending on the platform you want to create content for, you click the create a design again using the free version for this purpose of this video, and you can just create story highlight covers. You can even have a git for that, Instagram posts, infographics, so on. Let's say that you want to create some Instagram posts, right, for someone. You can just use, and this is again with no skills, so I won't show you any special fonts, nothing complicated. Right, let's say that you have the Instagram gig for content creation, and you could just use something like this, right? And if it's a fruit shop, you use a design like this, or something like this for a fish shop. You can even have some quotes, change the background image. But let's say that you just have a motivational page that you want to help run, and they assign you to do one post for $5, for example. So what you can do is, we can quickly delete that, have their ad right here, for example, drniki.co. We'll pick an image, and I'll show you how to add no opacity like here. And here we can just have a quote, and we'll just Google Warren Buffett quotes, and look at that, there's a bunch. 50 Warren Buffett quotes, that's what you can do for 50 videos. That's 50 easy videos for you right there. From this website, we can have this quote, we'll just paste it here, copy, paste, and then we want to make it a little bit smaller, and then add a Warren Buffett image that again requires no skills. Downloading it real quick, adding it here. Make this a little bit bigger. So if this video helped you out, again, make sure you like it. And whether you liked it or not, you should know that you should grab a cup of coffee because you're awesome. Hope it helped. There's a lot of videos like it on my channel. Now the team has 2 video editors.
Easy peasy. I'm out.
So there's a very high chance you see 2 videos like this every single day.
I'm out.
Appreciate the effort, subscribe. See you next one, and remember that the video day keeps the doctor away, and by the end of this video, definitely check one of these videos out. This one or this one. Bye.